Once seen only in futuristic movies or high-tech military missions, drones have now entered almost every facet of life. But where did this technology come from, and how did it evolve into the everyday tool we see today? Let's dive into the history and development of drones. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), date back to the First World War when the military sought pilotless flight options. Early models, like the Kettering bug designed by Charles Kettering in 1918, laid the groundwork for future drone technology. They were primarily used for surveillance and combat without risking human lives. Drones began to gain more attention during the Cold War, primarily for military surveillance. The Ryan Firebee, introduced in 1951, was one of the first mass-produced drones used by the U.S. Air Force. It marked the beginning of drones as a crucial military tool for gathering intelligence without putting human lives at risk. By the early 2000s, drone technology advanced rapidly, especially as industries beyond the military began to realize their potential. Companies like DJI, founded in 2006, revolutionized the drone market by making consumer drones accessible to the public. Today, DJI controls over 70% of the global drone market, with other major players like Boeing, Parrot, and Skydio pushing innovation forward. Although Boeing, on the other hand, remains a powerhouse in military drones with products like the MQ-25 Stingray, a refueling UAV for the U.S. Navy. So far, drones became more advanced with improved sensors, GPS capabilities, and data processing power. This has made them essential tools for not only military use, but also for various civil and commercial applications. Other key players like Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin also advanced drone technology, particularly in defense and autonomous systems, while Amazon and Google began experimenting with drones for commercial deliveries. Drones have now extended beyond military and defense. In agriculture, drones help farmers survey crops, herd animals, and manage resources more efficiently. In healthcare, drones are being used to deliver medical supplies, samples, and blood stocks to urban and remote areas, cutting down on delivery times and saving lives. Even Hollywood is taking advantage of drones, using them for stunning aerial shots in blockbuster movies, saving them cost, time, and producing amazing results. Today, drones are poised to reshape whole industries, ranging from urban planning to disaster management. With advancements in AI and machine learning, autonomous drones are pushing the limits of what is feasible. Drones have come a long way from their military origins, evolving into powerful tools that touch almost every sector of life. As the technology continues to advance, we're only scratching the surface of their potential. Some of the notable consumer-friendly drones are DJI Air 3, which has a striking balance between price, size, and performance, DJI Mini 2, which pack up that many smartphones, allowing you to bring it anywhere to ski. 2 Plus drone offers automated flight that doesn't always need guidance, which makes it excellent for beginners. Autel Evo Lite Plus offers massive battery life, with a 40-minute flight time. Lastly, Hanwhan Gogo Bird, which serves as a perfect fake bird drone amongst the notable others. From humble beginnings as military experiments to becoming indispensable tools across industries, drones have come a long way. As regulations evolve and technology advances, drones will likely continue to shape industries and redefine how we live, work, and interact with the world. Join us for another insightful episode on Tuesday. Thank you for watching.